Looking at the Nollywood industry, there are marriages that came as a surprise to the public and fans, probably because the couple were good at keeping it from the public. Adeniyi Johnson and Seyi Edun have been married for 2 years. Their love affair was announced shortly after a relationship between Toyin Aimako and Neil Johnson collapsed. Toyin Abraham and Kolawole Ajeyemi relationship was revealed after she gave birth, revealing that Kolawole Ajeyemi is the father to her baby, Ire. This was after the relationship between Toyin and Neil crashed. Okiki Afolayan and Bimbo Ogunnawo revealed their relationship in September 2018, which shocked fans and the public. They were known as best of friends before the news broke the internet. Austin Emmanuel and Jumoke Kudaisi got married 6 years ago at Iju Shaka area of Lagos. Their union is blessed with a child. Ibrahim Yekini and Wunmi got engaged in June 2016. Ibrahim, popularly known as Itele, the icon, married Wunmi, who was his baby mama then.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.